Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reply to a discussion board question. You may have noticed an email that comes to you that says WDONC Membership Discussion Portal. If you click on it, you will see the question, and below that you will see View the Posting. If you click on that link, it will take you directly to our discussion board where you can reply to the question. If this is your first time coming to the website, you will have to enter your username and password. Otherwise, below the question, you can leave your comment. Don't forget to include your name and reply to the question. If you'd like to view other questions within our discussion board, you can do that by going to your dashboard and scrolling down. Within there you will see recent discussion questions that were posted to our membership discussion forum. As always, if you had any questions about the discussion board or anything else, you can contact Melissa at the Wisconsin Director of Nursing Council, and I'll be happy to help you.